Chapter 1 Homeostasis, Lecture number 7 Structure of Nephron. So, key points: kidneys are consisted of millions of functional units called nephrons. Kidneys are consisted of millions of functional units called nephrons. The nephrons are about 1 million in each kidney, which mainly perform function of filtration, and nephrons which has longer loop of Henle which penetrates deep inside medulla region called juxtamedullary nephrons, and nephrons which have shorter loop of Henle called cortical nephrons which are in only cortex region. Juxtamedullary nephron consists of renal tubule and renal corpuscle. A renal corpuscle consists of dense cluster of blood capillaries network called glomerulus, which is surrounded by thin walled covering called Bowman capsule. Both glomerulus and Bowman capsule called Malpighian body, and ultrafiltration occurs in glomerulus region. Glomerulus capillaries have pore of 70 nanometer in diameter, which mostly prevents the large molecules and blood cells to pass through it. Glomerulus has specialized cells called podocyte cells that wrapped around blood capillaries. All the glomerulus capillaries fuse to form afferent arteriole which exits Malpighian body. Mostly essential compounds like glucose, amino acid, electrolytes and water is reabsorbed in proximal convoluted tubule. Several distal convoluted tubule DCT joins common duct called as collecting duct and renal artery which enters in kidney at the hilus. The diameter of afferent arteriole is larger than afferent arteriole. The afferent arteriole extends down and forming a network of capillaries called peritubular capillaries that surrounds proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, and which provides nutrients to renal cortex. The complex network of capillaries or loop of Henle called as vasorecta. The complex network of capillaries or loop of Henle called as vasorecta, and water is present about 90% in plasma and 95% in urine, and then protein is present about 8% in plasma and 0% in urine, and glucose is present about 0.1% in plasma and 0% in urine.